Industrial IoT is expected to grow from nearly $69 billion in 2019 to nearly $100 billion by 2025, with manufacturing predicted to be the largest growth sector. Manufacturing IoT is constantly creating new services which can benefit business workflows. For companies to adopt these technologies and to reform their business practices, they need to be receptive to integrating through open frameworks. Toshiba's manufacturing IoT solutions are developed in accordance with Toshiba IoT Reference Architecture. The framework is based on the global standards of reference architecture set by world-leading organizations for industrial IoT, such as IIC, NIST, and Acatech, and is an open model which can combine various services, applications, tools, and AI. Users appreciate the high quality and security aspects of this framework and can incorporate various evolving IoT services worldwide, promoting open collaboration among various stakeholders and contributing to business growth. Toshiba's manufacturing IoT draws on their experience as a manufacturer of products and equipment, from home appliances to infrastructure, for more than 140 years. Using an integrated data model based on Toshiba's manufacturing know-how, Toshiba offers a platform that combines on-site IoT data and operational data from a backbone information system. Toshiba also has more than 50 years of experience in AI technology and is a world leader for AI patents. Toshiba's manufacturing IoT solutions are based on industrial know-how and advanced AI technology. This allows users to innovate production with practical assistance from digital twin technology, which can visualize, analyze, and simulate manufacturing data. Many companies around the world have already begun adopting Toshiba's manufacturing IoT solutions. Toshiba's industrial IoT solutions are based on an open framework for 4 sectors: manufacturing, energy, social infrastructure, and logistics, and is continuing to expand them. In collaboration with its customers and partners, Toshiba continues to create new value for society with its next-generation industrial IoT solutions. Through CPS technology, Toshiba aims to accelerate social innovation by digitally analyzing data and returning improvements to the physical world.